So today I'm going to show you how to set up a reoccurring investment on Robinhood for your retirement account to look just like this. All right, so what we did is actually jumped over here to the main screen of our Robinhood account. So I could take you step by step to get to that same page we were just looking at. So from here, this is the home page. You can see on the bottom left-hand side, this icon is highlighted currently. And what we want to do is actually hover over to the retirement icon, which are these two circles that are looking like they're crossed over, and that takes you into your retirement account. Now you might have two retirement accounts, a traditional and a Roth. You can click over to whichever one you are currently using. And then there are two different ways to get to where we were at. If you already own the company you want to keep buying more of, or the ETF, you can go down to your actual investments and click on that actual icon. Or if more likely you want to go ahead and get started with that investment, we're going to want to click this little magnifying glass here on the top right. Now clicking here takes us to the browse section here. You can go through the stock screener, or what we're going to do is go to the search bar here. We're going to type in VOOG. It's one of our favorite ETFs to utilize here. It's our own. This is not investment advice, just keeping that in mind. This is going to be the option we're going to click on here for us. And what we're going to now see is the homepage of that particular fund. And what we want to do is go down here towards the bottom where you see the word trade and click on this. And from here, there is an option that says buy, which is what we're going to want to click on. Now in this section here, this is where we're going to land on to go ahead and start making purchases. But because we want to do reoccurring investments, we're going to go all the way to the top right-hand side over here where you see the word dollars. It might even say shares. We're going to click on this. And this is going to bring a new option menu. Now, it might look overwhelming here, but no worries, because all we need is this section here that says reoccurring investment. And we're going to click on this little right-hand arrow. Now, from here, it's going to let us choose the frequency. We can choose every single market day. We can choose every week, every 2 weeks, or every month. Let's just go ahead and say that you get paid every 2 weeks. So we're going to choose this option and click on continue. Now from here, it's going to ask you how much you would like to invest. Now, keeping in mind that we can't go over our max contribution for any given year, but also at the same time, we want to try to get the most out of our investments. So for this example, let's just say you could do $10 and this is great. Hey, this is the most we can do. Fantastic. We're moving forward in our investments. So what we're going to do is click on continue. And now it's going to ask you for your payment option. Where do you want this money to get pulled from? If you have money inside of your retirement account already, you can choose this from the buying power. If you're not yet maxed out on your contributions, you can choose the bank on file, or you can go ahead and add an account if you don't already have one. Also keeping in mind that if you have the Robinhood Gold, you are actually going to earn a 3% match on your money. If you don't have Robinhood Gold, you do get a 1% match still, which is fantastic. It's essentially free money for investing in this portfolio. Now from here, if everything looks good for us, we're going to go ahead and click on continue. And this is going to take us to that page we saw at the very beginning here, which is showing that we are going to be investing in a certain fund or stock, depending on what you chose, every 2 weeks from a certain bank account. And what this is going to actually do is not only move the money into your retirement account, it is also going to automatically invest it into that fund. So it takes care of everything for you step by step. So you do not have to pay attention on a regular basis inside of your retirement account. Now, if you'd like to learn how to just go ahead and make purchases with your funds that you have in your retirement account, we got you covered. Check out our next video right over here on screen to learn how to just make your direct purchases inside of your Robinhood retirement account.